So students को मैं यही suggest करूँगी कि they need to first identify that what are their strengths. So once you know that what are your strengths, focus on your strengths. हम क्या करते हैं कि हम अपनी weaknesses को identify करके उनको mitigate करने की कोशिश करते हैं.
Exactly.
But we are all human beings. हर किसी के अंदर flaws होते हैं and we are supposed to have flaws. So just accept them and just let them be. Focus on your strengths and see how you can leverage them, materialize them, be an opportunistic, find opportunities and go for them. And just be confident. Just be confident about yourself. You're going to learn the thing on your way. Ultimately, you will be there. So the only thing is that you have to take the first step.
Exactly.
So the process, you know, once you're part of the process, it polishes you, it grooms you, it takes you to your place. You just have to give it time and your heart.